The Do Not Age Black Friday sale is live. Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. If you're seeing this video, you're probably interested in longevity, well-being, biohacking, or maybe, like me, you recently decided to start looking after yourself a bit more and you're curious about the options for what I call a reset. Well, if that's you, congratulations, because you're absolutely in the right place. My name is Graham Baines, you can call me GB, 53 years old, originally from the UK. Today I'm going to tell you about the sale of the year from the UK-based company Do Not Age. They are the health research organisation. They fund clinical studies and their mission is to extend the healthy lifespan of as many people as possible, to help them live longer, healthier and better lives. Honestly, it's the best mission statement ever. As I already mentioned, the Black Friday sale is now live. It is the only sale that Do Not Age holds every year, and it's the biggest sale that they've ever held. This year, they're offering specially designed bundles with amazing discounts up to 40% off. And please don't forget to use my personal code TIMELESS for an extra 10%. They are also launching their brand new ingredient Nitralis, which will be included in some of the bundles. I will explain exactly what each bundle includes, who it's for, and help you decide which one suits your health and longevity goals. I will include some QR codes which you can link to each bundle, and of course the links in the description with details of the discounts. And without further ado, let's see which bundles for you this Black Friday. The Mini Bundle is perfect for essential anti-aging support, whether you're starting out or you want the core longevity stack. It includes NMN, SulforaBoost, TMG, Cert6 Activator, CA-AKG, Probiotic, Nitralis, and Resveratrol. If you are unfamiliar with some of these ingredients and their potential benefits, please subscribe to my channel and you can find a few videos explaining exactly what they do. So what about savings? Well, with the Mini Bundle, you will save $692 and you'll get a further $161.30 off using my personal code TIMELESS. Please use that code because it will save you an extra 10%. Find the Mini Bundle QR link somewhere up here, and also the link is in the description. The Midi Bundle adds even more full body support, stacking everything from the Mini Bundle plus Hyaluronic Acid, vitamin D3, K2, Magnesium, Fisetin, Omega-3, Quercetin. You save $1,208 on the Midi Bundle, plus an extra $224.20 with my code TIMELESS. Next up is the Maxi Bundle, which delivers the complete youth and vitality experience with all of the Midi products, plus Spermidine, Apigenin, Berberine, and CoQ10. That's a lot of supplements. This bundle saves you an incredible $1,802. And you guessed it, with my code TIMELESS, you can save an extra 10%, $270.40 off with my code. For the high rollers of longevity, we have the Ultimate Bundle. That is everything that the Maxi Bundle has times 2. Plus, you get some custom gear for free, a pill carrier, water bottle, and blue light blockers. With the Ultimate Bundle, you will save an incredible $3,268. Plus, a $490.10 discount with my code TIMELESS. At the lower end of the price range, you will find the Energy Booster Kit, which includes 2 of what I think are the most amazing ingredients that Do Not Age offer, namely NMN powder and TMG. So with that, you'll get 10% off plus a further 10% with my code. Next is the Super Skin Bundle, which contains hyaluronic acid, collagen, omega-3 and CoQ10 for radiant skin at 15% off plus my 10%. Last but not least, you can build your own bundle with savings up to 40% depending on what you order. I am making a special build your own bundle video in which I will be sharing a tool that I have created which will help you decide which supplements are right for your health and longevity goals. So that's all of the bundles. I hope that you found this video a little educational and informative, and I hope that you get the bundle that is right for you. I also hope that you try and order a bundle before they run out, because they do always run out. So have a good look, do some research, but don't wait too long because there's no guarantee. Thanks for tuning in. If you have any questions or you want to see some more content, please leave some comments and I'll get back to you. Drop in to say hi, and also please subscribe. And that's it from me, other than to say, stay timeless.